Audio Jungle.
ग्लोबल इंडिया बिजनेस फोरम द्वारा मुंबई के राजभवन में बिजनेस एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड्स का शानदार आयोजन किया गया, जिसमें मुख्य अतिथि महाराष्ट्र के राज्यपाल भगत सिंह कोश्यारी थे। राज्यपाल भगत सिंह कोश्यारी ने राजभवन मुंबई में ग्लोबल इंडिया बिजनेस फोरम द्वारा नेशनल बिजनेस एक्सीलेंस एंड अचीवर्स अवार्ड्स और कोरोना वॉरियर्स अवार्ड्स द्वारा 34 गणमान्य लोगों को सम्मानित किया।
Governor Bhagat Singh Koshari presented the Global India Business Forum National Business Excellence and Achievers Awards and Corona Warriors Awards at Raj Bhavan, Mumbai. Hotelier A. Vithal Kamath, Captain of Construction Industry, Niranjan Hiranandani, Vocalist, Rahul Deshpande, Chairman of Pudhari Group, Yogesh Jadhav, Actor, Anant Jog, Swati Mujumdar, Pro-Chancellor Symbiosis. Also corporate VIP clothing, Frank Faber, ArcelorMittal, Bennett Coleman and Company Limited were among the 34 achievers and Corona warriors felicitated by the Governor. Consul General of Egypt in Mumbai, Atya Abawelnagar, Deputy High Commissioner of Bangladesh in Mumbai.
Good evening friends, I am Dr. Jitendra Joshi from Global India Business Forum. I am Global President. Today's occasion is very important for Global India Business Forum. So it's a 4-year-old forum, but now it's achieved a lot of things in last 4 years because this is now really an international forum. Today as Raj Bhavan in Maharashtra, Mr. Bhagat Singh Koshiyari ji has specially invited Global India Business Forum team to honor all our colleagues. At the same time, we organize a very big award program today, and I am really happy the awardees are from the various fields, from the top business companies in India. There are big corporates, there are MSME sector. Also we honored the guys from the arts, music and acting. So GIBF is really achieving a lot of things in India and abroad now. Today in this program there are one Consul General of Egypt and High Commissioner of Bangladesh also present. And this proves that every GIBF program is been attended not just by the Indian but the Consul General and the Ambassador of various countries. So we are really happy that today this is a feather on the cap of GIBF. Thanks to all the businessmen across India. Today's program specifically after COVID to motivate the businessmen from MSME sector, and I'm really happy that Global India Business Forum is contributing a lot for micro, medium and small businessmen all across the world. So I'm really happy that the team has done a fantastic job today. Thank you so much.
Global India Business Forum is very proud to conduct today's National Business Excellence and Achievers Award at Raj Bhavan. We are very honored to have the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Koshiyari ji, for this event as the chief guest. Also, we were honored to have two Consul Generals, Consul General of Bangladesh and Consul General of Egypt as guest of honor for this program. And this event was a very successful, where we felicitated all businessmen from all over India, from different categories. Not only businessmen, we also felicitated the people from art, singing, acting and different fields. And Global India Business Forum is going at global level, growing step by step. And congratulations and thanks to all the participants for today's event. Thank you.
Hi, myself Kapil Jaykumar Pathare, Director of VIP Clothing Limited and promoter of the brand VIP Innerwear. First of all, I am thankful to Global India Business Forum for honoring me the Business Excellence and National Achievers Award from Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshiyari ji. I am thankful to Global India Forum, Dr. Jitendra Joshi, the President of this forum, for giving me an opportunity and making me a part of this forum. This award is really a motivational factor for a business entrepreneur, and I am sure I will carry this memory for a long time. Thank you once again.
ग्लोबल इंडिया बिजनेस फोरम ने कल 23 सितंबर के दिन राजभवन में जो कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया था, उसमें हमारे आदरणीय राज्यपाल श्री भगत सिंह कोश्यारी जी के हाथों मुझे जो अवार्ड दिया गया उसके लिए मैं हमारे गवर्नर साहब का और आयोजक ग्लोबल इंडिया बिजनेस फोरम का तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ। वो कार्यक्रम बहुत ही शानदार रहा, तो मैंने तहे दिल से उसे पसंद किया, जिसके लिए मैं सबका आभारी हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Yesterday, we, Frank Faber, received this prestigious award of Best Kitchen Appliance Brand in the country, and from none other than Bhagat Singh Koshari ji, the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra. It is indeed quite prestigious an award for all of us, especially because we have two plants in India. One is in Pune and the other is in Aurangabad. So basically, we are a Maharashtrian-based company which sells products across the country, and I must say that it was immensely encouraging for us to have received this award. Thanks to everyone, specifically the organizers. It's not easy to get all the people under one roof, especially in this COVID time. And the dignitaries that I saw over there was really heart welcoming. So let me congratulate everyone, specifically Dr. Joshi, whom I know for not long a period, but yes, given the way everything was conducted, hats off to people. Thank you.